Welcome back, boys and girls. We are on day 2 of our story horse heroes. I'm sorry, had that one backwards. Horse heroes. And we are talking about compound words this week. And remember, compound words are two single words that are put together to make one single word. All right. And so remember I told you yesterday, I kind of created this nice, lovely little graphic organizer that you see here. And so I thought it would help to see how we separate the two words, identify what the meaning is of each single word, and then seeing how when we put those two single words together, that guess what? The meaning's going to change. We're not only going to get a new single word, but ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get a meaning that could be totally different, which is absolutely amazing because guess what? That's increasing our vocabulary. That's increasing our word knowledge. Absolutely. Way to go. Perfect. The more we learn, the more we grow, the better we are. Let's jump in. Second word here that we did not get to yesterday. We're going to keep moving on quickly. Racehorse. No, we did that one. I apologize. Let's look at headstrong. We did that one. Okay, my PowerPoint wasn't where it should be. I apologize for the technology. There's that milestone. We matched that one yesterday. So let's take a look. Our first word, mile. Second word we took apart, stone. Two separate single words. But let's look at their meanings. Meaning of word one, mile. Any of various units of distance. Relatively, normally, we think of a mile as a pretty big, great distance, right? Okay. So, meaning of our word stone. It's a hard, solid, non-metal material of which rock is made. We know that, okay? Now, the new compound word meaning, when we put those two words together to get this word up here, milestone, our new word is, okay, the new meaning, here we go, get it, drum roll please, a stone that is set up beside a road to mark the distance in miles of a particular place. See how easy that is? Put those two single words together and look what you have. Bam! A whole new word with a whole new meaning. Let's move on to the next word. Guess what it is? Foothold. Yes, I know this says day 2. We're catching up. But look here. First word, foot. Second word, hold. Two single, separate words. Ladies and gentlemen, we have, quite a few meanings. Sometimes we're going to get those single words that can have separate meanings and several of them, but we're going to have to use that brain power. And sometimes we're going to have to use some context clues to figure out which word or which meaning it's going to fit. So we have over here a foot, several different meanings. It could be a lower extremity below the leg, which means, or foot, the ankle, you know that. A projecting part on which a piece of furniture or each of its legs stands. Or, you know what? A foot could mean to cover a distance. Now, let's take a look at hold. We're going to have to find out and save those meanings over there to find out what hold means. All right. Now, hold could be grasp. You could carry or support with one's arms or hands. Or hold could mean to keep or detain something. If I ask you to hold my book while I go to get my lunch, then you're keeping it for me. All right. But now, when we put these two words together, let's see what it could mean. So our new compound meaning of foothold. It's a place where a person's foot can be lodged to give them support, secure support. So a foothold is where you put your foot to give you that solid support. Maybe like if you're rock climbing or you're going up the side of a mountain, something like that. That could be a foothold. So there we have it. A couple more compound words, new meanings, more knowledge. Your brain is rocking it today. But I'm going to leave you with those two. I want you to have a great day. And then I want you back here tomorrow for a few more words. Thank you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.